Okay, this morning we are going to Magic Kingdom, and we're pretty excited about that. We're going to be meeting all of my sisters there who probably do not want to be in videos, so you probably won't see them. But we're going to Magic Kingdom, and it's going to be a great time. And I'm only taking the 24 to 105 and the 50 millimeter 1.8. I'm leaving the 100 to 500 in the room in the safe. So we'll see how it goes. Pretty excited about today, and I'm also really pleased for you camera people out there with how the Osmo Action camera is working as a vlogging camera. As a matter of fact, I'm using it right now, so you can see what you think as well. We have made it to the Magic Kingdom, just got off the bus. It's like an hour before opening. So, but yesterday at Epcot, we got there about an hour before opening, and we were on test track at opening time, even though there was a lot of people in line in front of us. So you can take their opening times with a grain of salt these days. I'm a little sleepy still from yesterday. Well, I made it through security without having to have my bag checked. The metal detector either did go off and they thought it was somebody else, or it didn't go off. But I do not have my big lens today, so I don't know.
So I think you guys have another day set up for Magic Kingdom. I can have somebody come over and look at changing it for you guys. It's just gonna take a minute.
Well, we went to the wrong park. We actually have reservations at Hollywood Studios today, and for some reason we didn't look at our reservation and just thought, well, today's Magic Kingdom Day. But it's not. It's Hollywood Studios Day. So we are walking to the Contemporary bus stop, where we will ride a bus to Hollywood Studios. That's the monorail track right above me. Okay, here we are at the Contemporary, and right as we walked up, a Hollywood Studios bus was here, so we may or may not get on it. There's a lot of people. Well, now we are at the right park. We went to the wrong park, now we're at the right park, and it's still 18 minutes before opening, even though we rode all the way to the wrong park, left that park, walked all the way to the nearest resort, waited on the second bus because the first bus was full. We're still here 18 minutes before opening. Woohoo! We are inside the Chinese Theater now, in the line for Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway. It's really beautiful in here and nicely styled.
Oh, testing, this thing on. Can you all hear me way back in the back? Welcome aboard, folks. We're ready for a relaxing ride around the park. Hurry, hurry, hurry! Step right up, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls.
Look on, there they are! Baby, right back! Now, let's
Well, that concludes my guided tour. Hope you had a relaxing ride around the park, and thanks for sticking with me.
I did almost no photography on this day full of Hollywood Studios fails, but I was really happy with this photograph that I made with the kit lens, the 24 to 105 f4 to 7.1 of the Slinky Dog roller coaster. And here is one more Slinky Dog roller coaster photograph that I made from the line. Both of these shots I made while we were in line for the coaster. Really happy with both of these. This is a 24 millimeter shot. And then I made a video of us on the coaster, and it was an epic fail as well.
Here we go!
Here we go!
Well, we had another epic fail. First, we went to the wrong park. Well, first we thought we were going to the right park, but we were going to the wrong park. And so because of that, we didn't get up at 7 this morning to get a Rise of the Resistance boarding pass. And so then we tried it at 1 o'clock and we failed to get one then. So that is the first time we've been to a Galaxy's Edge area while Rise of the Resistance was happening and not getting a boarding pass. So anyway, right now we're wandering through Galaxy's Edge on our way to Toy Story Land, where we might do some Midway Mania gaming. But anyway, it's unusual for us not to get a boarding pass. It's also the most crowded I've seen Hollywood Studios since Rise of the Resistance has been a thing. So it's not surprising that even though we were basically immediate in trying to get a 1 o'clock pass, that we failed.
Because he's been stuffed for years.
But lies beyond the fifth dimension, beyond the deepest, darkest corner of your imagination, in the Tower of Terror.
I'm not ready.
It went down. It's raining. Well, we have left Hollywood Studios and now we are going to ride a friendship boat, which looks like this. We're going to take that over to Boardwalk or Beach Club or Yacht Club, one of those, and then we're going to take a bus from there to Disney Springs where we have a dinner reservation. Boat ride is pretty fun. It's kind of noisy and diesel smelling if you're sitting on the very back of the boat, but it's pretty fun. There's Boardwalk over there, and there is the friendship boat we just rode here to Beach and Yacht Club. Time to find the bus stop. You think we can find it?
Yeah, I think we just walk through the lobby, walk straight through, and there's gonna be one right there.
Could be. Could be. It was a juvenile little blue heron that was partially white and partially blue. Right. I think we found it. Go, Heather, go.
I'll push the button.
Oh, good. Go. Go straight through. Okay. So this is Disney's Yacht Club Resort, which is right next to Disney's Beach Club Resort. Pretty cool. And there is the bus stop. Bus stop straight ahead. Right over there. There's our bus. Now we're riding on the bus. Well, we made it to Disney Springs, and now we have 23 minutes to walk around and find the restaurant we made a reservation at. So it looks like we're going to get to eat. Heather is leading us. I think we're going to find it. We're going across a bridge now. It's kind of pretty. Let me show you. It's nice. Here's the other side. Disney Springs. This place here called Gideon's. Oh, it's Gideon's Steakhouse, and they got cookies. Bakehouse. Ah, Gideon's Bakehouse. People wait in line for hours to get a cookie. Apparently, they're really, really great cookies, though. All right, this is our destination. Paradiso 37. I don't know if I'm saying that right at all. We got a dipping trio and some chips. I got the Havana flatbread. Casey got a shrimp po' boy. And what'd you get, Heather? Tacos?
Baja fish tacos.
Baja fish tacos. Ooh, and some good looking corn too. That food was really good. We enjoyed it. And now we're going to try to figure out how to walk back to our room at Saratoga Springs. All right, so we are going to try to walk back. We're still at Disney Springs, but right over there is Saratoga Springs where we are staying. So it's a little walk because Saratoga Springs is huge and we're staying kind of far away from that area, which is the closest area to Disney Springs. But we're going to do it. Rainforest Cafe. Well, we're still walking along. We're getting closer. We're on another bridge. That's the Saratoga Steamboat Company with transportation to Port Orleans Resort, which those boats are not running right now. And as you look across the water, you can see Disney Springs, which is where we were not too long ago. Okay, so here we are walking across the waterway from Disney Springs. And right here
It's Casey.
is Casey and Saratoga Springs Resort, but this is the Congress Park area of Saratoga Springs Resort, and it actually costs more points, your Disney Vacation Club points, and probably more dollars to stay in these rooms with the preferred view. But we're staying in the Grandstand area, which is the first bus pickup, which is what we needed. All right, we are still walking along. I think we may still be in the Congress Park area, but we are still proceeding. The white building over there with the unusual roof, that's where they have a Cirque du Soleil show. There's a House of Blues over there. That round thing, that's a balloon, a tethered balloon that goes 400 feet in the air. It's called Characters in Flight, which is really cool. But anyway, beautiful place. All right, now we're walking around the property of the huge Disney Saratoga Springs Resort. We left the Congress Park area and we're trying to make our way back to the Grandstand. This place is enormous. Look at all these Disney vans with Woody and Buzz Lightyear on them. There's like 7 of them. Also here at Saratoga Springs is kind of the headquarters of Disney Vacation Club. If you are considering purchasing, you can look at models of the rooms in this building here. There's a place right here called Horsing Around Rentals where you can rent Surrey bikes. They've got 2-seater and 4-seaters. Now we're kind of at the center of the resort. This is the main pool, which has a water slide. And there's also another pool kind of back on the other side of that lake that's called the Paddock. And it has a water slide. And then there are 2 more pools, one in our area at the Grandstand and one back at the higher point area, Congress Park. Those are quiet pools with no slides. So this place has a horse racing theme. You can see this statue of a horse and its jockey. Looks like it's got roses draped across, like it's won a major race. This is the performance hall. Yeah, it's a small theater. It's really cool.
For the Disney Performing Arts.
Yeah, very nice.
Which I never played for before, but it was at a ballroom in the Contemporary Resort.
Cool. Yeah, this is really nice. I've never been in here before.
Yeah, they have all these extra instruments, and when we came to play, they told our bassist not to bring theirs so they could just use Disney's.
Yeah.
So they were really, really nice.
Yeah, this is great. Now we are getting closer to our part of the resort, and also there's a golf course over there and over there. So
Our room looks towards one.
yeah, we can see a fairway from our room. And this is our quiet pool up here. So here is the pool that's near our area, very Saratoga inspired. There's even like a starting gate over there. And now we are back at our building. It's been kind of a disaster of the day. Started out going to the wrong theme park this morning, besides the one we had reservations for. I don't think I've ever done that before, but I did it today. But now we are back in our area of Saratoga Springs after quite a long walk.